up, everybody? Adam Neely, Build, Guild, and Refine TV, coming back at you. Alright, so I received a question the other day from response to one of our videos of what kind of a spray station we use, especially when we're traveling longer distance for jobs. So the one that we use that's more portable is this PVC rack that we've built. It's 1.5 inch PVC. The legs separate from the feet, and then the rack, the upper mount, the upper rack comes off as well. Now what we've done is we've created this little swivel so that once the cabinet door is on the swivel, I can do one side, spray it, turn it really easily. So it's nice and loose, and inside you've got a couple washers and 2 lock nuts in there, keeping it stationary. So it's not going anywhere. We've got 3 pieces here. 1, 2, 3. It's all 1.5 inch. Works great. This goes in. It can hold a lot of weight. So this whole rack system works perfectly for us. Breaks down. It's portable. It's easy. We can use it inside. We can use it outside. It's not made of wood. We don't have to worry about it. So there's our spray rack. See you soon.